Hi guys, can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you perfectly.
Awesome. I hope you had a great start to the day. So my name is Roman and I'm the founder and CEO of CRM Spy. And with CRM Spy, we're bringing competitive intelligence in the CRM area. We provide previously inaccessible communication data and analysis of your competition. So you're able to leverage those information to improve decision-making and your operations to finally build up a competitive advantage. We're operating in different industries and develop specific solutions tailored to the needs of our customers. In the following, we will focus on the retail industry. So what we're seeing is that retailers don't have any actionable data and analysis about their competitors' CRM. This results in a blind spot in their CRM activities. They have a lack of market understanding, a lack of knowledge how to counteract the competition, and a lack of knowledge about the competition in terms of customer acquisition that could be easily leveraged. So the ideal solution would be to have access to your competitor's CRM to improve your own strategies and operations in order to get a competitive advantage. That is why we created the competitive intelligence platform CRM Spy in the first place. We provide access to previously inaccessible communication data of your competition. CRM Spy provides a fully automated workflow solution. We create and provide competitive data pools. We then collect, process, and analyze the data with cutting-edge technologies. And we then visualize competitive data and analysis through interactive, user-friendly dashboards. We provide monitoring and insights along the whole customer lifecycle of your competitors. So you're able to dive into different customer segments and lifecycle stages and analyze different dimensions. We provide a variety of analysis for deep dives. These include, among others, customer journeys, promotions, the frequencies, product categories, customer retention and loyalty programs like Payback, which you already mentioned, and key commercial moments like Black Friday. So you can dive into each of these topics and pull out the informations and insights you're looking for. We're also offering an enablement service, which will support you by finding insightful information. In the following, I will show you 3 example retail use cases. The first use case is about key commercial moments. The question was, how should our client approach Black Friday and Cyber Week when the competition is taken into account? The solution was to crunch the historical data for patterns and behavior and provide analysis about the use strategies and how it was executed. Therefore, we looked into the dimensions frequency and timing, promotions, segmentation, and the specific markets as a client is operating in different countries. The result was that the campaigns and offerings of the competition could be anticipated. Our client executed competition optimized campaigns and had a very successful Black Friday event. It resulted in an increased campaign effectiveness by 19% versus last year. The second use case is about churn prevention. Our client was regularly losing customers due to competitors' discount activities. The solution was to analyze competitors' offers to our clients' customers. We then looked into the dimensions frequency and timing and into the communicated value proposition. The result was that we were able to reduce churn by adjusting our clients' discount activities to lower the competitors' offerings attractiveness, and the campaigns were distributed in the optimal timing. This resulted in a reduced churn by 42% during the competitors' campaign. And the third use case is about introducing a regular competitor reporting. The client wanted to introduce a regular competitor reporting to benchmark their own CRM activities and get a better market understanding. The solution was to set up a data pool and determine the key KPIs and requirements that the executive reporting should provide, so that we were able to improve our clients' competitive knowledge from superficial to insightful. The result was that we were able to introduce a monthly competitive reporting that led to a better market understanding. The information are now taken into account in the decision-making process, and a faster identification of competitors' initiatives is given. So to wrap it up, with CRM Spy, you're able to access competitive data, derive insights from market knowledge. You stay always up to date through reportings, and you're able to make better informed decisions and drive your KPIs. If I was able to spark your interest, feel free to get in touch. Thank you.
Thank you so much for the great pitch. Really enjoyed it. And now also again, we have our Q&A section open. So feel free to drop questions to Roman directly. And we already have one for you. If I'm a customer, can I blacklist parts of our company on your platform so they won't be shown to competitors?
That is not possible, no. Unfortunately.
So everything will be revealed always.
So when working together with our partners, and we're doing initially a setup where we define the competitors, the segments we want to look into, and the communication channels. And of course, the data that we especially set up for this client will only be provided for this client. But there is no, or we don't serve exclusive rights.
And also another question, I mean, when you kind of obtain this data and maybe you enter a new market segment, how long does this take and how long does the analysis process take?
Yeah, good question. So in general, we say we need around 2 to 4 weeks for the initial setup. It's of course, it depends a bit on the market. As for example, for one of our client, we are operating in 5 different countries. And one of the country was a bit tricky. So there it took a bit longer, like 4 to 6 weeks. But in general, we can say 2 to 4 weeks. And from that point on, the data flows in and access will be provided.
Perfect, thanks so much. And what is typically the setup time for a new customer? So how long does the implementation on their end take?
Okay, really good question. It is very, very important to say it is a standalone product platform. So you don't have to plug in any or do any technical setups from your end. So it's quite easy. We do a setup, you get, within the first week, you get your credentials. So you're able to log into the platform. And from that point on, I would say 2 to 4 weeks till all the data is available. And the data processing will happen in real time. So from that point on, all the data is flowing in all the time and you can do your analysis. And we will also conduct monthly insights calls. And if it is helpful for you, we can also provide or help you by setting up insights reportings.
Thank you so much. That's also already the time over for the questions. We have some more.
Okay.
So please join Roman later at the startup booth for CRM Spy and chat to him further where you can ask all of your questions. Thank you so much, Roman.
Sure. See you later. Bye.
See you later.